2 years ago, I finally began to face the reality that my dream of retirement at 60 had disappeared. Instead, faced with working well into my 70s, probably beyond that, left with feeling little more than a feeling of failure and of shame. I had no answers, I had nowhere to turn. That was until I found a glimmer of hope in the online world of all places. That's where I met John, who showed me a structured, step-by-step framework that showed me how to actually build an online income. And I want to be straight with you. I'm a 60-year-old guy from the rail industry. If I can do this, tech is not your problem. And it turns out that 40 years of experience online, that's actually worth something. 8 days after I launched, I made my first sale. Proof enough, this thing really works for me. And I realized if I could make one sale online, I could make more. Well, early this year, I was able to take my whole family on a cruise for my 60th birthday. That was a dream I had the day I began my online journey. Last month, I came back from a brilliant charity trip to India, a dream restored after 20 years. And when my mum had a bad fall last Christmas, I was there every single day. No guilt, no lost income, because now I've got a business running in the background that doesn't need me to show up every single day for it to carry on working. The anxiety I used to feel about my retirement, it's gone. No more waking at 4 a.m. in the morning. So if you're in your 50s or your 60s and retirement feels like it's heading in the wrong direction, click the button below. I'll send you some free training that walks you through exactly how this works. Why not take a look? If it resonates, great, we can talk. If not, well, there's nothing lost. But if you recognize that feeling, wondering how it all went wrong, this might just be what starts the change for you.